how to gain weight naturally in less than 1 month. How you can get weight naturally in less than 1 month. How are you going to gain weight naturally in less than 1 month? That is what I am going to teach you in today's video. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are somebody that want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. But before I proceed, I want to thank all my subscribers, people that subscribe to support this channel. Thank you so much. We have made it. Thank you, and thank you for good. And I promise that I will not disappoint each and every one of you out there. So let's proceed. Before I proceed, are you a woman? Are you a man? A child? Children? Or if you are a man, a woman, or your children wants to gain weight naturally, these three powerful ways is the best way that he or she can gain weight in less than 1 month. So I believe that these natural ways will help you to gain weight without stress and without no cost, just natural. In fact, I like natural. That is why I always recommend natural to people. So what are the three best ways to gain weight naturally? They are: number one, eat proteinous food. Any food that contains protein, make sure that you consume food that contains protein. With protein, it will help you to gain weight naturally. What are these foods that contain protein? They are meat, fish, beans, soya beans, milk. So all this food will give you protein, and they will give you protein as fast as possible. And the more you consume all this food, the more they are giving you proteins to gain weight naturally. So number two is to avoid intake of alcohol. Alcohol is good, but it is not good for those that do take alcohol. Alcohol shrinks the body. Alcohol helps to emaciate the body. So too much intake of alcohol or taking of alcohol can make you to lose weight. So once you can be able to avoid intake of alcohol, your body system will build, your body system will grow. But once you do take alcohol, because alcohol, one, it will emaciate your body, it will shrink you or your body system. It will never allow proteins and other immune system to grow because it will hold them down. So alcohol shrinks the body and it also emaciates the body. So once you can be able to avoid intake of alcohol, you will gain weight naturally in less than 1 month. So number three and the last way to gain weight naturally in less than 1 month is to have enough rest. Too much activities also emaciate the body. Too much stress, because the more you stress, the more you are getting yourself being emaciated. So if you want to gain weight naturally, avoid too much stress and learn to rest enough. Learn to have enough rest. It will help you to gain weight naturally. So these three best ways are the way you can adopt to gain weight naturally in less than 1 month. They are: 1. Eat proteinous food. 2. Avoid intake of alcohol. 3. Have enough rest. Enough rest means having enough sleep. At least make sure that you sleep every day after some little activities. Make sure that you have enough rest to gain weight naturally. I hope you get value from this video, and I hope you like this video. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for being part of this channel. We have made it. Thank you for watching once again, and don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to this channel to be a member on this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.